Hello student, today we are going to see it is a class 10 physics example problem 12th chapter 5th question from current electricity. We are going to do the problem. It is a old textbook, new textbook. This chapter is going to be 11th chapter. Okay. So now we'll do the solution for this problem. First we'll read question. What is the question? The resistance of the wire. The length is 1 meter, resistance is 26 ohms, okay, and 20 degrees Celsius as the temperature, okay. If the dia is 0.3 millimeter, what will be the resistivity of the metal, okay. They asked you to refer with this tabular column and they asked you to predict the material. The same question is asked in CBSE board question paper also, okay. So thank you for watching my channel. If you like my channel, please subscribe. Okay, now we are going to do the solution for this problem. Okay, first we'll write the given data. Okay, so this problem it's going to be little bit it have more calculation. We are going to do everything to get the final answer. Okay, the length of the wire is given in this question is going to be a 1 meter. And the resistance of the wire is going to be a 26 ohms. Okay. The next one, temperature is going to be a 20 degree Celsius. And diameter is given as a 0.3 millimeter. Okay. Now, this is a problem number, example problem, 12th chapter, 5th problem. This is a problem we are going to do. Okay. So, first we'll write the formula. Okay. So R is directly proportional to the length, inversely proportional to the area. If you remove directly proportional, you will get as a equality constant that is going to be called as a resistivity times of length by area. Okay. So this is a formula we are going to use. Okay. Actually this problem the temperature is not required. Okay. They are given no problem, no need to use that one. Okay. So now see here, this only we are going to calculate. Okay, modify the formula. A bring this side, L bring this side. Okay, so what I will get, the resistivity formula, equality constant only resistivity. So resistivity is equal to RA by L. As we know, the wire is going to be in a shape of cylindrical. Okay, so length is this much, area is going to be a circular area. That's going to be called as a pi r square. Okay, now area, instead of writing area, you can write as a pi r square. Okay, R is for the resistor, small r is for the resistor. So resistivity is equal to resistance times of pi r square divided by L. Okay, resistance is how much? 26. Radius is small r is called radius, capital R is called resistor. Okay, capital R is called resistance. Okay, so resistance is given 26 ohms. So radius, small radius, no, dia is given as a 0.3 millimeter. So radius is going to be, this is going to be a dia. Okay, radius is going to be half of diameter, so d by 2, so exactly half of this value. So 0.3 divided by 2 millimeter. So 0.3 divided by 2, how much will get? It's going to be almost 1.5. So same way you can write 0.15 millimeter. So which is going to be radius. Okay, radius is going to be 0.15 millimeter. Now we'll do the problem. Okay, resistivity is equal to resistance pi r square divided by L. Okay, so resistance is how much? 26. Pi is going to be 3.14. Radius is how much? 0.15 millimeter, and it's going to be a square. Length is how much? 1 meter. Okay, now this is going to be in millimeter. It's not in a SI unit. We have to convert this also. 1 meter is how many millimeter? 1000 millimeter. So 1 millimeter is how much meter? This 1000 we can bring denominator, 1 divided by 1000 meter we can call as a 1 millimeter. So instead of writing 1000 you can write 10 power plus 3. So 1 divided by 10 power plus 3 meter is equal to 1 millimeter. Okay, from denominator to numerator if you are taken 10 power minus 3 meter is equal to 1 millimeter. Okay, 1 millimeter is how much? 10 power minus 3. Again, we will continue the problem. So, resistivity only is a question mark. Resistivity is a question mark. Resistivity is equal to resistance times of pi r square by L. Okay, resistance is how much? 26. Pi is 3.14. Radius is how much? 0.15 millimeter. 1 millimeter is how many meter? 10 power minus 3 meter. Okay, so you can square, and length is 1 meter is given, divided by 1, which everything is given in a question. Okay, so we'll have 26 into 3.14 into 0.15 into 0.15 into 10 power minus 3 into 10 power minus 3. So 10 power minus 3, what we can get? 10 power minus 6. So okay, so we'll get that as a 10 power minus 6. 15 into 15, it's going to be 225. Because of this 4 decimal, we'll get as a 0.0225. Okay, 15 into 15, 225 only, no. So 26 into 3.14. Okay, now we have to do the multiplication. Okay, slowly you can do the calculation, you will get the correct answer. Okay, so now next calculation I'm going to do. See here, this 2 will multiple. Okay, see, otherwise this 2 also you can multiple. 314 into 26. Okay, so I'll get 8164. Because of this 2 decimal, you can keep it decimal here. Okay, so 81.64, this 2 multiplication, I'll get 81.64 into 0.0225 into 10 power minus 6. Now this 2 multiplication we have to do. Okay, 81.64 into 225. Then after multiplication we'll do the decimal also. Okay, 5 4s are 20, 32, 5 3 8, 40. Okay, so 8 12 3 16, same number 8 2 3 6 1. Okay, 0 0. Okay, it's going to be 19. Again 6, here we'll get as 13, here we'll get as 8 and 1. Now we'll see how many decimal are there. Okay, here 1 2 3 4 decimal, and here it's a 2 decimal. Okay, so totally 4 plus 2 6 decimal, 1 2 3 4 5 6 decimal. Here the point will come. Okay, finally the resistivity is called 1.8369 into 10 power minus 6 ohm meter. Okay, you can have another question also, how they got ohm meter. Okay, it's a very simple. Resistivity formula, what we know? Ra by L. Okay, resistance is ohms, area is meter square, length is meter, so get cancelled. So the resistivity unit we can get as a ohm meter. Okay, I'll give recap of this problem also, easily you can understand. Okay, this is very easy. It's a very direct problem, but you need to know how to do the calculation. Okay, it is 10th class, it is 5th problem, example problem from electricity. L is given, R is given, diameter is given, and also temperature is given. Okay, actually temperature is not required in this problem. Okay, temperature no need. Without temperature also we can calculate. Okay, R is directly proportional to L, inversely proportional to A. R is equal to rho L by A. This only they asked. It is called resistivity, and also it's called as a equality constant. Okay, so resistivity formula, what we can get? A resistivity formula, R pi r square by L. Okay, R is 26, pi is 3.14, small r is called radius. Okay, they are given as a dia, which is called 0.3 millimeter. So 0.3 divided by 2, 0.15 millimeter. Okay, millimeter to meter we can get as 10 power minus 3. Okay, then we did the calculation. Finally we got the answer as a very simple answer. It's going to be 1.8369 into 10 power minus 6 ohm meter. Okay, if you want millimeter to meter conversion, that also will be there. 1 meter is 1000 millimeter, 1 millimeter is 10 power minus 3 meter. Okay, So next one, still the problem is there. Read the question properly. Again, the question is we have to predict from the tabular column what kind of material it is. Okay, I'll show the tabular column. See here, tabular column is there. Okay, 1.8 into 10 power minus 6. See here, 1.8 into 10 power minus 6, which is called manganese. Okay, thank you for watching my channel. If you like my channel, please subscribe. Thank you everyone.